Good girl. Good girl. She did it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You ready? Let's go. There it goes. Good girl. What's out there? Plain spot. Good girl. Good girl, Dolly. Good job. Sit. Good girl. Good girl, little pup. Take a break. Take a break. Plain spot. Plain spot. Orville Lewis Park, Los Alamitos. Haven't figured out what it is. Is it a tail dragger? It's definitely got a unique front end. The wings are definitely weird, the slides. What is it? What are we gonna call that? Is it a DC-3? With the rear door? What is it? What is it, Dolly? What kind of plane is that? I don't know. I'm a cat, remember? I don't know those things. You want to go over there and check it out? Want to go over here? All right, let's go. She's everywhere. Dolly's crazy, like a kitty cat crazy. Dolly, are you crazy like a little cat? I am a cat, remember? I got a dog costume on. Dolly's just a little kitten. Dolly's just a little kitten with a big dog costume. Silly goose. Silly goose. Go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, bad girl. Good girl. Good girl. Dolly, you're the best when you're asleep. That's when you're like the best. You want to go over by the plane again? Yeah, sure. Nope. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. Ready? Go get it. Good girl. What is that up there? Alaskan? Hi, Goofus. Hi, Goofus. Hi, Goofus. Is it time to turn your collar on? Why not? Is it time for a red ball? Is it time for Captain Red Ball? Okie dokie, here we go, buddy. Here it goes. Good girl. Good job. Good job, Dolly. Good job, little kitty cat. Good job. Good girl. Good girl, bad girl. You ready for another one? Okie dokie. Here we go, funny face. Good girl. Good girl, little kitty cat. Good girl, little Kiki. Good girl, little Kiki. What a good little kitten. What a good little kitten. Oh, she's the best little kitten. Isn't she the best little kitten? Good little kitty cat. Good little kitty cat. Where's the ball at? Oh, it's over here. We gotta get the ball. Gotta get the ball, silly kitty cat. Where's all your friends today? I don't know. Okie dokie, here we go. Good girl. Oh, wow. Wow, big banking turn to the right. Look at you, show off. Hard right. Wow. Bet you everybody on board was like, oh, wow. Yeah. I know, I'd be like, ooh, what's going on? Little black cat, little Dolly. Dolly Doodle. She loves playing fetch. Usually there's about 3 to 5 other dogs here. They all love running around and playing together. Like Abigail, Snickers, Riley, Joanne, Ollie. I'm forgetting a few of them. Broomstick. Yeah. Popo's here. I think it's time to go. The Popo's here.